Welcome to your Aquascape Pro Shop tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to customize and order all of your Aquascape print materials. We offer a variety of customizable products, and there are spaces for your company's logo in order to tailor our marketing materials to your business. These materials are beautifully printed for a professional and clean look. Let's get started. Open your browser and type in aquascapeinc.go.customprintcenter.com. This will take you to the login page. Please note, if this is your first time visiting the Aquascape Pro Shop, you'll need to create a new account using your business email address. On this page, you'll notice a variety of categories that are excellent tools for distributors, contractors, and retailers. Let's customize a brochure from the Contractor to Consumer Products category here. You'll see the various marketing materials provided for contractors to utilize for their customers. For your convenience, we've offered two design styles of the brochures, postcards, and door hangers to help you keep your messaging consistent. Let's select the Landscape Fountain Kit brochure. This page allows you to customize the brochure with your company's information. Once your company information is filled out, add your logo. Be sure to have your logo prepared as a PNG or JPEG that's a resolution of 200 pixels per inch or higher. This will ensure that your logo will not print fuzzy or grainy. Select here and find your logo file. Your logo will open in a crop box. Use the bounding box to adjust your logo. In order to customize pricing and additional details, deselect the Use Company Defaults box. Adjust the information as needed, and click here to edit page 2. Once again, add your logo here. And deselect the Use Company Defaults box to change any information and pricing necessary. Then click here to review your order. This will allow you to review your brochure before printing. If you find a mistake, click here to edit your materials. Select your desired paper stock here and the needed quantity here. And then check the I have reviewed and approved my design box and Add to Cart. Review the materials in your cart and select Checkout to complete your order. You'll need to supply your shipping address, the method of delivery, and enter credit card information. If you have a promo code, enter it here. Once complete, place your order here. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please call 866-877-6637 or email us at emails@aquascapeinc.com.